the view of the Mission Control Center, which Chairman ISRO and Director of URSC, and Dr. Suresh briefing the Honorable Prime Minister about the flight event that are going on. So the time elapsed is almost 1 minute 28 seconds.
जी हाँ, धीरे धीरे गति कम होती हुई 1507 मीटर प्रति सेकंड हो चुकी है, जबकि हमने 1630 मीटर प्रति सेकंड की गति से प्रारंभ किया था। और हर घड़ी की, हर क्षण की जो जानकारी है वो प्रधानमंत्री को पहुंचाई जा रही है। और इस समय हम करीब करीब 1 मिनट 52 सेकंड का समय व्यतीत कर चुके हैं और वेगमान लगातार घटता हुआ। और यही उद्देश्य भी हमारा है कि धीरे धीरे जो रफ ब्रेकिंग है उसके दौरान चारों जो इंजन है, उन चारों 800 न्यूटन वाले इंजन जो भारत ने पहली बार विकसित किए हैं, ये पूरी जो प्रणोद प्रणाली है ये पहली बार विकसित की गई है। और इस प्रणाली के चारों इंजन लगातार फायर करते हुए, प्रज्वलित होते हुए और लगातार वेगमान घटता हुआ।
So almost 2 minutes 20 seconds, and we expect this rough braking phase which was just initiated to last for nearly 10 minutes, during which time the velocity, the orbital velocity which the Vikram lander possessed of the order of 1640 meter per second should reach to something like 140 meter per second at the end of the rough braking phase. So basically during this phase it's a real brute force of operation where we are trying to kill the velocity which the spacecraft currently has, making it revolve around the moon with an orbital altitude of 30 by 100 kilometers. So I am seeing on my screen that the velocity from 1680 meter per second has come down to almost 1300, so nearly 350 meter per second velocity for the Vikram lander has been reduced. 3 minutes have elapsed, and maybe another next 7 minutes we should have quite a substantial reduction in the velocity to ensure that at touchdown we have almost near 0 meter per second velocity, to ensure that the Vikram lander has a soft landing on the surface of the moon at the very desired landing site location. So we are right now in the rough braking phase of operation, nearing 3 minutes 39 or 40 seconds, and almost I would say 480 meter per second velocity has been reduced, which is clear indication that the entire operations during which the 4 throttable engines are being reached close to 1 kilometer from the landing site.
हम लोग लैंडिंग साइट के बेहद करीब पहुंच गए हैं। शायद इसरो के चेयरमैन ने प्रधानमंत्री को कुछ संदेश दिया। प्रधानमंत्री जी धीरे धीरे अब कक्ष से नीचे आते हुए, आप जल्दी ही किसी भी घोषणा की उम्मीद कर सकते हैं। कुछ ही क्षणों में हम जो आंकड़ों को अध्ययन के बाद जो भी निष्कर्ष होगा उस तक पहुंचेंगे। प्रधानमंत्री जी धीरे धीरे अपने कक्ष से नीचे उतर के नीचे आते हुए।
We're just awaiting the
No, attitude change was one signature. No, one thing we can think is that if we can think RF only has switched off, that's not something that would have happened to the body like that. No, rate changed. Rate changed. No, there is no difference. I'm only telling that there is a in case just the RF went off and the model was not being something that we should know what is not switched off. What will be happening? Whatever
all are requested to be in your seat, please.
RF orbiter confirm. SSR is receiving data.
पर जो है थोड़ी तनावपूर्ण भी है और बॉडी लैंग्वेज भी हम सबकी देख रहे हैं और लेकिन अभी क्योंकि आंकड़े नहीं है इसलिए कुछ भी शायद कहना अभी मुश्किल हो रहा है।
मेरे विचार से अभी हमें कुछ डेफिनेटली कहा नहीं जा सकता क्योंकि ये ऐसी स्थिति है कि जब तक
back onto the track.
My aim is to become a president of India. So what steps I should follow?
Why president? Why not prime minister?
So prime minister. So not enough.
So I have a question. So many students are interested in space, but don't get opportunities to come there. What can you do for introducing more opportunities and chances for them?
Well, I'll find out. This time I have started.
Sir, one question. Sir, if a person scores 40 and another scores 100 on 100.